go through that judgment that you think they have of you.
It's mga English, yeah.
Chatterbox! Oh no, I need to be in my best behavior and I... Good morning! It's Monday! Yesterday I dropped my phone and it is absolutely horrible. I mean, I drop my phone all the time, but I guess I've been pretty lucky because every single time I drop my phone, like nothing really happens, and even if I do crack it, it's always the screen protector. This time my screen protector completely shattered, and when it fell on the floor, I just knew. I knew because the sound just sounded different. Like the crack sounded like crisp, like a like it was a clean. It wasn't like a, you know, like I don't know how to put it, but like extremely unfortunate because this time it actually affected the screen as well. So y'all know my life literally revolves around my phone. Like, I do everything with my phone. My work is on my phone. I vlog on my phone. So I would literally die without it. But I'm someone that is extremely clumsy. I think if you know me personally, you'll know that my phones literally don't last. So that's why I decided to invest in a Casetify because they are not only so versatile, they are also very pretty and very functional. Let me show you the three that I chose. First one is actually the Ripple case. This is the one that I have over here. It's so pretty, and the best thing is casing is sturdy but it feels soft to the touch and it wraps my phone all around. So even if I were to drop it, like I've dropped it a few times, thank God it's no scratches, no nothing. It's really amazing. The next case I want to show you guys, which I love a lot, is actually this. It's the mirror ring stand case. Firstly, it is a full-on mirror and the mirror is very clear. I can actually like touch up my makeup. It's actually very handy whenever you want to take a 0.5 selfie and you can actually see everyone in here. You never know how much or how functional having a mirror phone case is until you own one. And not only that, it's a 3-in-1 phone case. You use it as a mirror protection sleeve as well as a phone stand. Over here, you can actually lift it up and it becomes a phone stand. So I am able to kind of just lean it on a table and watch my shows like this very comfortably. It's been great, and you can leave it like that as well. So yes, you guys can definitely see how much I'm enjoying my phone cases from Casetify. I have a special code for you guys if you're interested to check it out. You get 10% off. They are super worth it because quality really can last you for a while, and they've got so many different kinds that suits different needs. So go use my code. You can check out the description box below to get the code. But anyway, the team is taking a break sometime in August, and since Kaylin and Sam are gonna go on leave, as well as Con, they're all gonna go on leave like one after another. I thought like maybe I'll just take this opportunity then to also go on leave. This year, you know, I kind of told myself that I want to take it slow when it comes to work because I want to be more present with Micah, and I feel like I have definitely been doing that, which I am quite proud of myself for, frankly. In terms of rest, moms will know that taking time off work to spend time with your kids is not actually resting. I'm constantly in the kitchen, I'm constantly thinking of ways to give him better experiences, expose him to more things, planning play dates. At the end of the day, I am really exhausted, even though my heart is full. Okay, don't get me wrong. It opened up a whole bunch of other problems that I didn't know I had within me. You know, that I was feeling this way for a while and everything. So I was speaking to some people about it, Ross in particular, at a food tasting. Rather, she enlightened me on the importance of taking care of yourself before you can start taking care of other people. So I think I'm gonna start going to therapy. I think like in the past there's always been a very taboo subject, but it's not that I'm upset about something in particular, but I just wanna, you know, it's just like going to a gym and hiring a PT, right? Like taking that next step to improve yourself and see how much better you can be or how much more you can improve. Question out there for those of you who go to therapy, like how do you pick your therapist?
Is it through word of mouth? Is it through reviews? Is it through what? Like there's a specialization for these people, right? Do they specialize in childhood trauma, marriage issues, or like self-confidence issues? I don't know. Like, yeah, I don't even know where to start, frankly. But I think it's not like a very pressing thing for me, so I don't need to like start now. But just wanted to put it out there to share like my struggles with you guys, because it took me a long time to be brave enough to tell people that I am thinking of going to therapy. I think going is one thing, but like letting people find out that, you know, and kind of like go through that judgment that you think they have of you, I think it's a very, very big thing for me, because growing up, I've always been someone that's quite a people pleaser. So, like, yeah, I'm putting it out there. I think that's the first step, and the best is yet to come.
It smells interesting. It's a bit spicy.
Okay. After that.
Mong Chin.
Guys, you guys see my new thing?
Oh wait, that's the Shopee one.
It's not Shopee, it's MOFT, okay?
But you can buy on Shopee.
Yeah, you can buy on Shopee. It's like $50.
Yeah,
46. Yeah, but it's quite good so far. So today we are actually shooting a fun video. Con and Nicole came up with some Chinese questions for us to challenge and guess. So we're gonna be doing that in a video. You're gonna get busted.
Yeah, like in the video.
I mean, maybe, okay, we can give you a handicap.
A handicap!
A handicap of like 3 seconds before we shout the answer.
Oh.
We're gonna test out Chinese.
I'm gonna fail.
We are here for a reason, okay?
The woman was too stunned to speak.
What's that? Actually, a few years ago we did this. Like, we merged our images and then came out this, and then we actually got this. I think it's quite close.
Can you look at mommy?
Cute, cute face. Good morning from the office. It's like
Influencers in the world.
it's a real IG account called Influencers in a Wow. She didn't coin it. Yeah, today.
Coin it.
Huh? What is coin it?
Gen Z slang.
It's an English word. Coin it.
Gen Z slang.
Guys, you know what's coin it, right? She didn't coin it. Okay, my internet is not working. She didn't like create it. She didn't. Okay, the sentence is, oh, influencer in a while. Amanda used to say that about you. So I said, but influencers in a while is an IG account. She didn't coin it. What is that?
She doesn't coin it.
Uh-huh. Is there no such thing? Oh my god, I can't even find it on Google. Did I create it?
Coin. Coining it in UK is to be earning a lot of money quickly. Hello,
Oh my god, wait. Are you serious? Oh my god, I think I anyhow say.
It's Mandarin English, yeah. She's determined to prove herself.
Of course. See? Coin a phrase to create a new expression or saying is often used when someone uses a unique or unusual way of saying
But it's an
something.
idiom. You have to say
That's why I say she doesn't. Well, you think idiom is 成语 man? Only idiom got 成语. I got it. Started from the 14th century, my dear. When the verb to coin means to create or invent something. It's in Cambridge Dictionary. Okay, you proud? Proud me?
Yeah, I learn new things every day.
Checking out June coffee today. We're gonna show some work. Okay, buddy. This place is beautiful. And we are in like Juche area. This is the sister cafe of September Coffee. We joke that they're gonna be naming all their coffees after the month. So hopefully they have 12 outlets. This is the second outlet. So you get January, February, March, April, May. Yeah, so on. The sun is great. I have my new Casetify phone case. Looks good. I am Chatterbox! I love Chatterbox so much. I think like you guys are probably sick of me dining here, but this is the place. I would bring my parents, like my friends who come from overseas, and I would come here and eat on my own also actually, because like the quality of food here is super good. This is how they look like. Wow, looking really good. It proved very well, so I'm gonna go and steam it right now. Experimenting with pandan today. Final product. I always share recipes on like Micah's account, so follow me on there. Also on Mong Eat. But let me do a taste test. Should I? Okay, I'm gonna take like the big, really big one. Oh my gosh. I wanted to eat a bit healthier, so here we are. This is I have like herbal chicken soup, got like steamed fish, and stir fried veg. Micah, can you tell me what is this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple! Can the pineapple dance? Can you dance with the pineapple? Are you dancing? Oh, you're just shaking your bum bum. And shake your bum bum. Pardon the crack. I cracked my phone again. Time to ride a bicycle. Got myself a little sandwich from the sandwich shop. I'm hungry and I can't wait for my coffee. Today we are heading to the office because one of my interns, lecturer or dean, is like paying us a site visit. This is like part of her school's internship, so yeah. But this is like my first time like having someone actually do a site visit, and I just feel like, oh no, I need to be in my best behavior, and I actually contemplated wearing a blazer, you know. But yeah, never mind. I decided that we should just be ourselves. So this is me being myself. Usually we do things like remotely, so a lot of the time do an interview or like application forms. Most of the stuff are administrative, but this dean actually wanted to come down physically, so I'm a bit nervous about that. Sancai yi tang. So good.
So it's gonna pay for